morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and here we are on first day of spring. It is the 20th of March, 2023, about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. So no major economic data due out, but we do have this week events. We certainly have the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. We have the Swiss National Bank, by the way. What are they going to do? They're expected to go 50 basis points up. The banking system's a bit fragile. Will they do it? My guess is. Today, if you take a look at the projections as to what our Fed might do, toss a coin. They're back to 50-50. I think it would be a very bad part on Chair Powell to not go with his quarter-point hike. I think it sends the wrong message that he's concerned about the banking system when, at the same time, if you saw over the weekend, you got a consortium of banks around the world joining in for stability. You had a sale of Credit Suisse to UBS. It started off with $1 billion bid. If you went to bed, you thought it was a $2 billion deal. It turns out to be a $3 billion deal. What we don't know, don't you dare believe that you know all the facts of this, because you don't. We'll see what the backstops are, what the bank guarantees are, because now what Switzerland has basically done is created one monster bank. They don't have competition. Parts of this are going to be sold off because it doesn't fit in with the UBS model. You're talking massive layoffs in the banking system because you don't have to duplicate and triplicate a lot of the functions, all right? But you're still going to keep the branches open. You're going to just rename them. So it's not quite what you think, but there's a lot of exposure. We're not through in America with First Republic. It was down 30-some-odd% on Friday. It's down nearly 20% this morning. We're looking at more downgrades from S&P Global. Junk, even worse junk. And where's the rescue plan for this? Now, it is a small regional bank, but it's got a problem. You can see the grain market's still under pressure. Bonds and notes down a little bit. Energy markets. Joe, do your buying of the oil because it's there. We saw that Goldman Sachs over the weekend revised its oil forecast, now supposedly a $97 barrel. How do they get that $30 higher? I'm not seeing it with the world the way it is right now. We're only into the end of March. They got 9 more months to go, so they're thinking it's coming up. How? That's what I can't figure out here. Looking at the dollar lower, which makes sense, and most currencies up against it. The yen, though, bothers me because it still has a bid in it. You can see up 13 points. So that's the safe haven bid there. And gold still has the safe haven bid. Now, when I woke up, the market was up sharply higher into the 2030s. 2085 was the last high you made a year ago, March. Go take a look on your charts, and you'll see what it is. So you're in that zone when you're up there. $50 away is what I call the zone. So keep that in the back of your mind. As for anything else, you might want to get our free offers because we're writing about all this on a fast and furious pace as to what it means in the futures. Very important. Which way are the markets headed? Where's the pressure? What do you do at this time of the year in the soft markets, the energy markets, the stock indices, and so on? Is this good news or bad news? Want the results? All you need to do is move your cursor up there. When you do so, you'll see an icon. Give it a click. Sign up for our free offers, and away you go. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day. I will talk to you all at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. Take care.